business rests on the hard work of people who handle components, materials, and products at your facility. Injuries and strain from heavy and repetitive tasks is a serious threat to their health and to the reputation of your business. With proper, customized lifting equipment, you safeguard the performance and well-being of your workforce, while preventing accidents and damage to your products or machinery. We are Pronomic, the lifting and moving solutions company, providing smart and smooth materials handling systems for sustainable safety at work. Since 1989, we've developed premium quality lifting solutions that help businesses boost productivity and well-being among their employees by making their work safer and more efficient. Today, we tailor mobile and stationary solutions for lifting, moving, loading, installing, stacking, assembly, and much more. Through the years, we've kept our entrepreneurial spirit, combining Swedish engineering expertise with relentless exploration. For us, expertise means approaching each new challenge with curiosity and inquisitiveness, with attention to every detail. That's how we stay at the very forefront of lifting innovation. When you invest in a Pronomic lifting solution, you secure better working conditions, reduced sick leave, and lower rehabilitation costs. You're also improving efficiency and product safety at key points in your business. If you don't mind us saying, that's a smart move.